Hello, viewer. Welcome back to our channel, Ajastro Maniguru. Today, we are exploring the significant shifts in the base metal markets, primarily driven by the latest policy twists from the US government. Join us as we delve into how President Donald Trump's announcements are shaping market dynamics. As we ventured into trading this Wednesday, the base metal prices took a downturn, reacting to the lingering uncertainties about US President Donald Trump's tariff policies. The trading atmosphere was charged with caution as market participants pondered over the implications of new tariffs being imposed on a range of imports from several key trading partners. Just this Tuesday, President Trump made a critical announcement that could reshape several economic landscapes. Starting from February 1st, there might be a new 10% tariff on Chinese imports. This policy is set to join the ranks of previously announced tariffs of 25% on goods coming from neighbors like Mexico and Canada. Trump also teased the possibility of imposing duties on European imports, though details remain sparse at this stage. The unpredictability introduced by these trade policy considerations has left investors on edge. A sense of unease pervades the market, with one trader highlighting the threat of a retaliatory trade war is dampening market confidence, a sentiment that echoes the broader concerns about potential economic repercussions. Adding to the mix, the US dollar experienced a slight dip in its strength, which is notably relevant for commodities priced in this currency. The dollar index fell to 108.11, a minor decline of 0.04% from the previous day, yet significant when compared to last week's 26-month high of 110.17. This weakening of the dollar typically benefits commodities by making them more affordable to international buyers who trade in other currencies. Turning our attention to the specifics of the market, the London Metal Exchange, LME, recorded a 0.4% drop in 3-month copper prices, landing at $9,252 per metric ton. Aluminium, tin, nickel, and lead also saw declines, with each metal adjusting to the market's cautious stance. Meanwhile, in China, the response was similarly tepid, with most metals on the Shanghai Futures Exchange, except copper, witnessing declines. As we continue to monitor these developments, the global base metal market remains at the mercy of US trade policies. Such policies could potentially disrupt global supply chains further and exert additional pressure on metal prices. Keep watching our channel for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest insights into the commodity markets. Thank you for tuning in today. We appreciate your interest and look forward to bringing you more detailed analyses in our upcoming videos. Goodbye for now, and take care.